the Intel Core i5-1335U processor, the Asus ExpertBook B1502CVA delivers robust performance for all your business applications. Whether you're multitasking, running complex software. Display 15.6 FHD, 1920 by 1080, 16:9, wide view, anti-glare display, LED backlit, 250 nits, NTSC, 45%, screen-to-body ratio, 83% display. Processor Intel Core i5-1335U processor 1.3 GHz, 12M cache, up to 4.6 GHz, 10 cores. Storage 512 GB M.2 2280 NVMe SSD. Memory 8 GB DDR4 on board. Graphics Intel UHD Graphics. Keyboard and touchpad backlit chiclet keyboard, 1.4mm key travel, spill-resistant keyboard. FingerPrint. Camera 720p HD camera with IR function to support Windows Hello with privacy shutter. Audio, built-in speaker, built-in array microphone. Network and communication Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11 AX, dual band, 2*2 plus Bluetooth 5.3 wireless card. Battery 42 Wh, 3S1P, 3-cell Li-ion long-life rechargeable lithium polymer battery. Power supply Type-C, 65W AC adapter.